Santos, and I am the founder of Rain Santos Music Studio.
We strive for the best.
Sobrang galing nila. That's why, ang laging tanong sa akin ng mga parents minsan, no, for that 19 years, sabi nila, bakit pa kailangan ng recital? Bakit pa kailangan natin ng culminating activities? No? So, it's very easy na sa aming mga musician, of course, to showcase the talent. Ano ba yung natutunan namin for 10 sessions? No? So that's very, very important.
Find our way. 'Cause this is the place where music begins. Raise out this music.
My dear students, our dear students, be faithful. Remember that, be faithful. Ano yun, sir? Ano po yung be faithful? Ano po ba yun? So, you know what? Lahat ng bagay mahirap, no? When things are getting harder, remember this, when things are getting harder, that's the time that you must push harder. Remember that, no? Remember that. Why? Bakit ko sinasabi to? Because it's not easy. Sometimes memorizing a poem is not easy. Singing is not easy. Dancing is not easy. Correct?